Hello friend, welcome back to MiniCooper Garage. In different video I was just able to improve condition of that rear bumper. The whole corner was basically hit by other car and there was a smooch of material on it, and I was able in few minutes remove that and make it beautifully shiny with those products, even without using any power tools. So that was great. And now I discovered, I bought long time ago this Natural Shine Protectant, right? This product, which is right here. It's also MEGUIAR'S, and I would like to see if it can improve that black trim. It's definitely weathered, doesn't look good. The sun made it kind of gray instead of black. So let's go see together if that simple product will work for it. And when you use this stuff, it's always great to follow directions which are on the back, right? Most importantly, when it was sitting for a while, you have to really shake it to mix whatever is inside, right? Really important. Then they say you can either spray it directly, right, if you don't care about the mess or overspray, or always the other solution, right, is to spray that on some kind of applicator, right? You can have this one, but mine were already used and they are contaminated with different products. So I will not use those, they will just stay for the other stuff. I might have somewhere another applicator, but I don't know where. And I'm just eager to go for it right now. So it's very simple. I have another microfiber cloth, right? And I will make applicator out of this, right? Now this needs to be opened. Spray it on it. Oh yeah, it's coming. You see the color, right? And I will start rubbing it on it, following the directions as I said, as I mentioned, right? And we will see if it will have any effect on such a rubber trim, right, which I have here. If it will soak in, or if it will disappear, if it will change. We will see. There's the entire trim, as you know, right? Mini owners. It goes all around. It's all faded. So if I could make it black again, dark black, right, have that shine, that will greatly improve the appearance of the vehicle. This car was washed today, so I didn't wash it right before you in front of camera. But it will always pick up some dirt, so I will keep turning the applicator, right, while I'm using it. And I will show you when it dries if there will be any difference. So you saw me starting in that corner and I went both ways. I went to the right on the back trim, lower trim, and I went towards to the cabin this way. So let me show you if you will see any difference, right? If you will see difference, say stop the camera movement. But I didn't hear you. And I already passed it. Yes, this is the difference. Look at it. This is the weathered, kind of grayish, right? And this is where I on purpose stopped to show you the contrast, the difference. Let's go this way, and this time please scream a little bit louder if you see where I stopped, because that will mean there is a difference between the previous shape and the new one. Alright, that's how radical it is. I heard you this time. It's right here. And as you can imagine, this MiniCooper, it's really happy. I can hear the car just, making that sound like the cat, because not only I completely replaced that clutch this week, I finally finished that long job and of course you can see it in different videos on this channel. I also just fixed this paint hour ago, right? And now we even improved the trim. Once again, I use this. You don't have to stick with this product, of course. There are many on the shelves in the auto parts stores. I'm just sharing what I picked up in the past and forgot that I even had it. And the difference, right? It's so drastic, even looking from so far, you can see it. I will definitely continue all around right now because this car definitely deserves it. Thank you, my friend, for watching, and make sure you are subscribed. I will have way more coming your way soon. See you later.